How much do you know about the Ka-52 Alligator helicopter? Its attack performance has been acknowledged even by Western countries, and its recent strikes in Ukraine, particularly in the city of Kherson, have become increasingly brutal, establishing it as a formidable modern combat weapon. Ready to witness the power of the Ka-52? Keep your eyes on the story. The Ka-52 Alligator attack helicopter has taken on an increasingly vital role in various military operations, especially in conflicts involving the use of drones and modern air defense systems. Footage circulating on Telegram shows the Ka-52 actively participating in air defense missions against Ukrainian UAVs, highlighting its adaptive and multi-role capabilities. This isn't the first time. In one incident on May 7, 2025, the Ka-52 was deployed to intercept Ukrainian drones approaching the Moscow region. In that operation, one drone was successfully shot down using a 30mm automatic cannon, while another was destroyed with a missile launched from the helicopter. This success demonstrates how the Ka-52 effectively integrates traditional weaponry with modern technology to counter new threats on the battlefield. The use of attack helicopters to engage drones marks a significant tactical shift. Originally designed for ground assault and reconnaissance missions, the Ka-52 now also serves as an effective air defense platform against UAVs. Its maneuverability and stability at low speeds are crucial in targeting slow-moving, low-flying drones, which often attempt to evade radar detection. Thus, the Ka-52 stands as a clear example of how traditional military assets can be adapted to counter the evolving threats of modern warfare. In addition to its automatic cannon, the Ka-52 also uses Igla missiles to intercept drones. Recent footage shows 2 Ukrainian UAVs being precisely destroyed by Igla missiles. The Igla missile is a man-portable surface-to-air missile system with infrared tracking, effective against low to medium-speed aerial targets. The accuracy and tracking capability of this missile enable the Ka-52 to carry out precision strikes against drones, which are often difficult to detect and track due to their small size and agile maneuvers. The integration of the Igla missile into the Ka-52's weaponry adds a new dimension to the helicopter's capabilities, strengthening its role in countering increasingly complex aerial threats. In the context of air defense, archival footage shows 2 Ka-52 helicopters destroying a Ukrainian air defense system, likely a Buk system. The Buk system is one of the main layers of Ukraine's air defense, designed to shoot down aircraft and missiles approaching its airspace. The destruction of this system poses a significant challenge for Ukraine, as it reduces their ability to defend their airspace from Russian attacks. If an air defense system like the Buk is destroyed, the area becomes more vulnerable to airstrikes, whether from fighter jets or drones. This can provide a strategic advantage to the attacking side, allowing for more flexible and effective aerial operations by Russian forces. In the Kherson region, the Ka-52 has also been observed launching LMUR missiles to destroy Ukrainian UAV control positions. The LMUR missile is a laser-guided weapon designed to strike targets with high precision from long distances. Its advantage lies in its ability to penetrate defenses and attack hidden or protected targets. UAV control positions serve as command centers for drone operations on the battlefield, so destroying them can significantly disrupt the opponent's reconnaissance and drone strike capabilities. By disabling these control centers, Ukrainian drone operations become limited, offering a significant tactical advantage to the attacking forces. The Ka-52 is not only effective in attacking Ukrainian positions on the ground, but it is also capable of countering modern combat weapons such as UAVs. This helicopter carries a variety of guided missiles, including the Vikhr and Ataka systems, which enable long-range attacks so that pilots can engage targets without having to approach dangerous zones. The Ka-52's advanced avionics suite, such as the Arbalete radar and optoelectronic systems, allows it to detect and track small targets under challenging conditions, including at night or in bad weather. While these avionics were originally designed for ground attack operations, They have proven to be highly adaptable for anti-drone missions, making the Ka-52 a flexible and effective platform in various combat situations. In addition to its combat capabilities, the Ka-52 is also known for its unique design and advanced technical features. It has a distinctive coaxial twin-rotor configuration, which provides greater stability and superior maneuverability compared to conventional single-rotor helicopters. This configuration allows the Ka-52 to perform sharp maneuvers and fly at low speeds with high stability, especially useful when targeting slow-moving threats such as drones. The Ka-52 also features a side-by-side tandem cockpit, enabling the pilot and weapons operator to work together effectively in managing weapon systems and navigation. So, what does the future hold for Russian helicopter development? The Healy, Alaska website recently released a fascinating analysis on the new direction of Russian military helicopter design. The main focus is not just on improving flight capabilities or weaponry, but on a strategic leap, an integrated system combining helicopters and unmanned aerial systems, or drones. It's no longer simply about helicopters being accompanied by drones, but rather about forming a connected combat ecosystem that operates together like a perfectly coordinated team. Imagine a modern battlefield scenario where swarms of drones move ahead first, conducting reconnaissance, gathering terrain data, and even identifying and locking onto targets. Meanwhile, helicopters operating behind the initial strike line receive real-time data and carry out precision attacks. This combination not only accelerates response time on the ground, but also significantly reduces risks for pilots and crew. What makes this approach even more revolutionary is the use of AI-based systems capable of managing the cooperation between drones and helicopters. This AI acts as the brain behind complex coordination, ensuring that every drone and helicopter knows its role, processes data quickly, and makes tactical decisions on the fly. All of this points toward a larger goal, maximizing combat effectiveness while minimizing human risk. In the context of future warfare, the ability to integrate intelligent machines into a single operational network could be the difference between dominance and defeat. So, what does the future helicopter envisioned by Russia look like? The next generation designs will emphasize speed, agility, and stealth capabilities. Russia is exploring various quieter rotor configurations to reduce acoustic detection, using lightweight composite materials to enhance maneuverability, and applying stealth technology to make helicopters harder to detect by radar. The future of aerial combat has arrived, and it comes in the form of collaboration between humans, machines, and algorithms. That's all for today's episode, and thanks for watching.